The periodic table. This is just an introduction to the periodic table. It is also called the periodic table of elements. It arranges the chemical elements according to their atomic number, Z. The number that you see above each symbol of the chemical elements is what we call the atomic number Z. The atomic number is equal to the number of protons found in the nucleus of the atom. It's also equal to the number of electrons that orbit around the nucleus of the atom. Since an atom is electrically neutral, the number of protons is equal to the number of electrons, which is equal to the atomic number Z. The periodic table is made up of groups and periods of elements. A group is a vertical column of elements. So we have group number 1, group number 2, etc. A period is a horizontal row of elements. So a period is actually the row of elements. It's horizontal, while the group is vertical. For example, if we want to identify the elements in period number 1, which elements are those? Hydrogen, H, and helium, He, belong to period 1 in the periodic table. Let's identify the elements in group number 1. We said that the group is the vertical column of elements. So group number 1 elements are hydrogen, H, lithium, Li, sodium, Na, potassium, K, and 3 others. The periodic table is very important in chemistry. The first 20 elements are very common. You can see neon, you can see carbon, oxygen, sulfur, magnesium, calcium, and many others. Each element has different characteristics, chemical properties, and physical properties. Here you can see the states of the elements at room temperature, which is about 20 degrees Celsius. Elements can be solids, liquids, or gases. Notice that mercury and bromine are both liquids at room temperature at 20 degrees Celsius. A fun fact is that mercury has a symbol of Hg. That is because mercury is actually known as hydrargyrum. So we symbolize it as Hg. Some elements are gases at room temperature, like helium, neon, fluorine, and others. In light orange, notice that these are of unknown states. Some elements' states are unknown at room temperature. Remember, the arrangement of elements in periods and groups is special, and also the arrangement in an increasing atomic number is also one of the characteristics of the periodic table.